Hello, my name is Muhammad Ashraf. So for today, I'm gonna talk about Chapter 3, Information System, Organization and Strategy. So for my topic is 3.2, what is the impact of information system on organization? So the first one, we will see economic impacts. So from an economic point of view, information system technology can be seen as a factor of production that can be freely substituted for capital and labor. As information systems, technology automates the production process. Less capital and labor are required to produce a specified output. Transaction cost theory states that organizations grow in size because they can obtain certain products or service internally at lower cost than by using external firms in the marketplace. So, by lowering the cost of market participation, information technology allows firms to obtain goods and services more cheaply from outside source than through internal means. Information system can thus help firms increase revenue while shrinking in size. Agency theory views the firm as a nexus of contracts among self-interested individuals who must carefully supervise to ensure they pursue the interests of the organizations. Information technology can help reduce agency costs, the cost of coordinating many different people and activities, so that each manager can oversee a larger number of employees. So next, impact of information system on organizational and behavioral. So for organizational, it flatten the organizational. Information system can reduce the number of levels in an organization by providing managers with information to supervise larger numbers of workers and by giving lower level employees more decision making authority. Post-industrial theories also support the idea that information technology should flatten hierarchy by allowing professionals to be self-managing, by decentralizing decision-making, and by encouraging formation of ad hoc temporary task force that address specific tasks. Because information system potentially change an organization structure, culture, business process and strategy. There is often considerable resistance to them when they are introduced in one model. Describing organizational resistance, the only way to bring about change is to change the technology, task, structure and people simultaneously. Finally, the Internet and World Wide Web are increasing the accessibility, storage, and distribution of information and knowledge for organizations, dramatically lowering transaction and agency costs. Businesses are rapidly rebuilding some key business processes based on Internet technology to deliver genuine benefits. Information system must be built with a clear understanding of the organizations in which they will be used, and consideration of the firm's environment, structure, culture, politics, organizations, and leadership. That's all from me. Thank you.